So peeps, the thing come like medication now, as every single day we have a dose of anarchy and chaos and lawlessness and brainlessness on the roads, as members of the public make it difficult for police to execute their duties. So they protest, they resist arrest, and they make a nuisance of themselves and make it difficult for law enforcement officials to execute their duty. The latest incident happened in Falmouth, where a bus driver removed the keys from a service motor vehicle of a policeman because the policeman would have removed the key from his bus. Ah, boy.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Police body cameras aren't yet widely used in Jamaica, but the proliferation of camera phones among civilians has allowed law enforcement officers to capture some of the controversial encounters they have with members of the public across the island. It has allowed authorities the opportunity to give Jamaicans a better understanding of the disrespect they face daily while on the job. The latest incident captured on video shows a police officer attempting to seize a bus in Falmouth, Chilani, for alleged traffic breaches. But instead of complying, the driver of the vehicle takes the keys of the cop's service motorcycle. The video clip shows the officer warning the bus operator against leaving with his key, but the motorist in return issues his own threat to the cop. Officer, if you don't give me back my key, you're not getting back your key. You don't know me, sergeant. You can't take my key. You must be mad, the motorist is heard telling the policeman in the video. You're bright and feisty, but you take my key out of the bus. He continues, before warning the cop that he's not one to play around with. You don't know me. You can play with any other busman, but not me, sergeant. The motorist warns the lawman. It is unclear whether the motorist handed back the keys to the cop before he left the scene. But the incident is the latest in a string of videotaped encounters between police and unruly members of the public that has triggered shock and anger at the rampant indiscipline in the Jamaican society.
Yo, don't play the game, man.
Where are we?
Alright.
Why did I say for the guy jail?
Give me the key for the bus.
Why did I say for the guy
Right,
jail?
I'm face the boy to go man kill the bus.
Come, give me the government bike.
Sarge, I'm going to play no Sarge.
Give me the government bike key.
Give me the key for the bus first.
The bus seize.
Seize this bus for what?
Give me the key.
For what? Seize bus for what?
Hello.
A robot?
No, give me the government
What do you must start? Bus seize bus. Give me the key for the bus first.
Why am I up here with him? Why am I up here with him?
Sarge, you don't know me, no Sarge.
Why am I up here with him?
You don't know me, no Sarge. Tell me that, you
Why am I
don't
up
know
here
me.
with him?
You can't play any other bus, man, but you can't play me to the start.
What are you saying?
Tell you that bumper.
What are you saying?
Seize what?
Peeps, I don't know what would have transpired before the recording was done. I don't know what would have happened before the video was recorded. But what I saw in the video is another Jamaican feeling that he's above the law, feeling that he can do anything and act in any manner and in any way, and it is all good and everything is fine. And it is a dangerous precedence. We are walking down a slippery slope, and if this continues unabated, we are going to be in a worse situation than we are in now as it relates to the chaos and the anarchy and the crime and violence that currently exists in this country. I don't know what are the rules and regulations and guidelines as it relates to the policeman removing the key from the bus. I cannot speak to that definitively. However, I know that if the policeman give you instruction, you ought to comply. You know, so brazen, so bold and so bad, you went and you removed the key from government's property, and then you are going to threaten the policeman, say him can't talk to you and him can't do you nothing, and you is not a person to be played with. You understand? This policeman took it very well, but some of these persons on the road will try it with the wrong police officers. I mean, I tell you the truth, peace, I really and truly can't wait, because this needs to stop. See, I'm gone. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.